Hey guys, welcome back. I just want to give an update on this build. We got all the plumbing finished, we got the foundation forms totally set, we got our plastic down, we got our gravel in, all of our rebar. Our foundation guys did a great job staying on top of it and get it done quick. We've got concrete coming probably the following Monday. Today's Tuesday. We kind of have to wait because we had really cold weather last week, and so that prolonged all of the concrete. So in hindsight, I would have ordered concrete sooner had I really known that would have been a big issue holding up all of the plants. So I called them on Monday yesterday, and they said they couldn't get out till Friday. But then we need to get a pump truck for the footers because we have a septic in the back, and you can't drive the concrete truck on top of the septic for obvious reasons. So to get the pump truck and 100 yards of concrete for this pour, we have to wait till the following Monday, best case scenario. Wanted to also talk about some suppliers. This isn't like the only way things work, but it's just what I'm learning is that I have to open a credit account with them in order to get a better price. So I'm getting a price for concrete at $205 a yard, but if I open a credit account, they can get me down to $180 a yard. Now, because my business is over 5 years old, I can probably go through the business, but I know my business doesn't have a lot of credit. 5 years is the cutoff, at least in Georgia. But that being said, I probably will have to back it personally, which I'm not a fan of because I don't like to hit my credit. But if I can save $3,000 or $4,000 on the foundation, then that's really going to help the whole process of this build. But it's also going to help me in the future on the next build we do, as well as getting, like, the idea too though of getting credit accounts open with other suppliers is going to be worth it, because I'm going to save money and I'm going to get preferred delivery and pricing. I know with the concrete, he told me he couldn't get trucks out here till 10 a.m., which really sucks when you're paying guys by the day. If they start at 8 but there's no concrete till 10, you're kind of paying for 2 hours that they're doing nothing. So all those little things add up and cost money. So to think that I'm going to save money by not doing a credit account is kind of stupid. So I know my concrete sub, he has an account. We may just run it through him if I don't get approved, but I need an answer pretty quickly because I want concrete Monday at the absolute latest. On top of all of that, we have inspection coming. It's coming out today to check forms. One thing that I will point out is when you have your rebar, they are grounding the house now through rebar. I don't know if it's that way in every state or every county, but it definitely is in Cherokee County, Georgia. So that said, I had my guy just bend a piece of rebar and stick it up where we're going to put the power box. We're going to do power underground and come right in. We're going to come right in over here, and you probably can't see it from right up here, but we've got a grounding rod there. It's going to be important that you use an acorn nut on that when you tie everything in for the inspector. But yeah, just wanted to update you guys, give a little bit of info what I'm learning with the suppliers, and hopefully that'll save you some headache and time. When you think about ordering stuff, don't wait till you need it to order it. You know, if you're setting forms and your guy says, hey, we'll be down Friday, but it's Tuesday, go ahead and call a concrete company and see when you can get concrete on the ground, because that'll also help your sub in the sense of it'll help them to plan their time when they're coming out to do the finishing, because you don't want to waste their time either and have everyone ticked off at you because you didn't get material sooner. So hope this is helpful. If it is, please like and subscribe. Thanks.